your name? Okay, ma'am. The police said I have to let you go, ma'am. I don't know what to do.
No, ya me van a
They won't hurt you. They won't hurt you.
How could you do this to your own fucking people? That's insane. I don't fucking care. Y'all didn't have no fucking warrant.
Just give her some time.
Just give her some fucking time. Y'all just shot someone in Minnesota. I ordered Doordash. My fucking Doordash. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm Native American. Get the fuck off my yard until she comes that way. You don't even have a fucking warrant. But I'm not gonna go to fucking jail because y'all pieces of shit ain't got nothing better to do because your wife still wanna suck your fucking dick.
Pussy. Stand on it, shorty.
Fucking puta. Pendejo.
Maricón.
No, eso es mentira, ustedes lo separan de las familias. Tengo mis dos niñas solas.